Good morning, everyone. This is JD Huffman with Poor World Weather, and today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023. And today at approximately 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time, there will be a integrated public alert and warning system nationwide test. Here is some information about the test. The purpose of the national test is to will be help to ensure that wireless emergency alerts or WEAs in the emergency alert system EAS continue to be effective ways to warn the public about emergencies, particularly those on a national level. If the October 4th, 2023 test is postponed due to widespread severe weather or other significant events, the backup date will be October 11th. What must I do to receive when I receive the national test? No action from the public is necessary. Why are we testing the alert system coming from FEMA? Registration passed in 2015 requires FEMA to conduct nationwide tests of the iPods or the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System at least once every 3 years. The test can include WEA, EAS, and other alert and warning systems. The most recent national test was in 2021. What will the national test display on my mobile phone? It will display this is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is necessary. Phones set to Spanish will display it in Spanish. The test will include tones and vibrations to capture your attention. What would the national test announce on radio and TV? This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency covering the United States from 1420 to 1450 hours ET. This is only a test. No action is required by the public. How do I ensure that I receive the national test? All major U.S. wireless providers participate in wireless emergency alerts and will transmit the national test to their subscribers. If you have a WEA compatible mobile phone that is on within range of an active cell tower and on a network where WEA is supported, you should receive the national test. Wireless providers will transmit the national test for 30 minutes, but your phone should only receive it once. Some providers do not participate in WEA and will not transmit the national test. Some providers may participate in WEA as on part of their network. If your radio or TV is on and tuned to a broadcast station, a satellite radio or TV service or cable or wireless TV, it should receive the national test from the emergency alert system. Is there a cost to receive the national test? There is no cost. Do I need to sign up to receive wireless emergency alerts or the national test? No sign-up account or subscription is needed to receive WEA or the national test. Some local governments have their own mass notification systems and require subscriptions. Can the national test monitor, locate, or walk my phone? No. Will the national test be used to gather my private data? No, both EAS and WEA are broadcast technologies and do not collect any of your data. This test is designed to evaluate the effectiveness of the system in sending an emergency message. What if I am on a phone call at the time of the national test? The national test will not interrupt the phone call. I will be traveling away from home on October 4th. Will I still receive the national test? If your mobile phone is on and receiving service from a participating wireless provider, you should receive the national test. Can I opt out of tests in my phone settings? Recent models of mobile phones may include a setting to opt out of tests and alerts. None of those settings will affect the 2023 national test. If your mobile phone is on and receiving service from a participating wireless provider, you should receive the national test. And finally, I didn't receive the national test on my mobile phone. Why? Only WEA compatible mobile phones that are switched on, not on airplane mode, within range of an active cell tower and on a network where the wireless provider participates in WEA will be capable of receiving the test message. For more information, please visit FEMA.gov/IPAWS. For more information, also follow Paul What Weather on Facebook, X, and Instagram at Paul What Weather. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.